Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day of pulling back here, but the price did behave exactly like you would want to see it behave, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the previous video I did. But if you didn't, then a quick recap. Talked about that green line at $1.30 being an ideal level of support. And yeah, the price did actually break down below there earlier on in the day, but again, to give full credit where credit's due, not only did the price get back above that area, but then you can see the rest of the day did a beautiful job of just bouncing around and staying up above that area. So good to see that that $1.30 mark is indeed holding that support. And moving forward, I'm not going to call that a do or die level, but yeah, preferably speaking, in terms of what would make the chart look the absolute strongest going forward, having the price stay above that area would definitely be a good step and good sign in the right direction in terms of, overall, the overall trend still being bullish. Now, in the event the price does come down and break through that level, the next level of support at that point in time would just be where the price and bleeding stopped today, and that was right down there at $1.15. So moving forward, $1.30 and then $1.15 are going to be those two near-term key levels from the support side of things. In the event the price decides it wants to start to work its way back upwards, the main dynamic in my mind, which I'm not going to say is a guarantee of anything, but I think is a key potential reversal point right up there at the $1.55 mark. So if the price can work its way up to that area and, key dynamic here, get a high volume break. So a high volume break of that area, again, doesn't mean that it's for sure going to go back up to those highs. But I think that would be a good sign that things are starting to turn itself around and that the momentum is starting to return back in the bulls' favor. So keep an eye on that $1.55 mark. But as of now, yeah, the pullback continues here. And it's just a question now of, is this, late day bounce here, the start of something bigger? Let's see if the price can get up to $1.55. And if it can it actually break through it? First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.